Today's problem is 328 lead code odd even linked list. So given a head of a linked list, group of all the nodes with integer indices together followed by the nodes with even indices and return the reordered list. So first node is considered as a odd and second is even. Okay. For example, we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the indexes. So at the position 1, odd number is there, and at the position 3, odd number. But 3 is an odd number and 1 is also odd number. So they will come together, and 5 is also odd number. So 1, 3, 5 will be come together, and 2 and 4 will come together. So basically, or it is not based on the indexes. If the in this example indexes are same as number of the node value, but if the case is 1, 4, 3, 6, then again these are the elements of the node. These are the elements of linked list, and these are the indices. So even indices are 2 and 4, and odd indices are 1 and 3. So at the position 1, 1 is there. At the position 3, 3 is there. So 1, 3 will be this, and 4 and 6 will be this. Okay, so we need to return this. Okay, so there are two approaches basically. One approach is we will traverse whole linked list and calculate segregate the odd list. We can make our odd list separately by initializing new character, new linked list and value. We can pointers will be different then. Odd and one is even, and after creating both the linked list, we will connect the odd last with even first. This is one of the method, but we can do by changing the pointers in the given linked list, like without any uses of extra space and extra space. We can do this same thing by shifting the pointers. So basically, for example, we have this 1, 2, 3, 4 string. So currently 1 is pointing to 2, 2 is pointing to 3, 3 is pointing to 4. After for example, wait. So now this is broken because we need to point towards the 3. So we need to break this pointer and move to this pointer. So 1 के next में जाएगा 3. Similarly, we need to break this pointer also 2 to 3, because we need to point to 4, because this one is a even. So what we will do, we will take a even and a odd list will be odd list head will be pointing towards head. Odd is pointing towards this initially, and even will point towards head ka next. Okay, so even is here. Okay, so what we will do, we will jump after one. We will skip the one, like from this we will go odd ke next means this. So we will apply a while loop here, because we are taking even as the second element, odd is as the first element. So if our even is going to empty, pointing toward null, then the linked list, we are at the end of the linked list. What I mean to say is, if our even जब जंप लगा कर आगे जाएगा तो एक पॉइंट आएगा जब वो नल को पॉइंट करने लगेगा, या तो इवन ही नल बन जाएगा या फिर इवन का नेक्स्ट नल आ जाएगा. सो एट दैट पॉइंट वी विल स्टॉप. Okay, why we are not doing the same with odd? Because we know now odd is just behind the even, so we will apply the check on the even only. Okay, so after doing the changes, the the linked list will look like this. Okay, so what we will do, we will point the three next to the first one. Okay, so now the string will be 1 3 2 4. For example, we can see in our code also, this is the basic base case. If head is null, if head connects null, if the head connects to next null, means this means we have only two nodes in the linked list. So if we have only two, then no need to do any pointer change and not a big deal. So we will just return the head in that case. But if the number is like this 1 2 and 3, so now we have to change the index this pointer this to this. Okay, so we are taking odd. In the odd, we are taking a odd pointer. In the odd pointer we have head, and we are just changing the pointers in this case. And even pointer is pointing to head connects. Okay, and we have one even head also, because at the end we need to uh, we need to add the odd next to, we need to basically append both the linked list. 1 to 3 is one linked list, and 2 to 4 is the another linked list. So after doing all the traversal over the linked list, we will point the odd ka next to the even ka head. Okay, odd ka next and even ka head, odd ka next and even ka head. Okay, so what are we doing here is, we initially take the even head as even. Okay, so that because when we apply this for while loop, we are changing the even. So at that point, even will be at the end of the even linked list, and similarly odd will also at the end of the linked list. For example, odd of next, what are we doing here? We are doing even is not equal to null, and even का next भी null नहीं होना चाहिए. So odd का next is pointing towards the odd के next का next. Okay, and now what we will capture in our odd is odd का next. Okay, and similarly with the even का next will pointing towards the even का next, and at the even what will we keep is even का next. And after the in the last, we will just append the odd के next को even का head, which we already stored in the code. Okay, so this is the problem, odd even linked list. Time complexity will be O of n, time complexity O of n, when we are not using any extra space also. So space complexity will be O of 1. Okay,